How's it going? My name is Nigel, and today we're going to be checking out a new tool called Ramp Stack, where we start on our home screen, where I can take quick action and ask ad hoc tasks for Ramp to help me execute. I can get a quick view of the status of my close and even see what specific items need my attention. But today, let's dive in to my close checklist and actually see the structure I've set up and start getting some things knocked out. From our close checklist, I can organize this in any way I want, whether that's groupings by status or customized groupings like assets and prepaids to revenues and receivables. I can make this look and feel how I want and quickly add things as I go. Like right now, we need to get fixed asset management set up for this client. So I can quickly come in, click the plus sign, and add in fixed assets as a task to be completed. I can set up what status it's in, who the owner should be or assignee, and even add in due dates and even schedule this to occur month over month. So I'm only setting this up once and Ramp executes from there on out. So now I've created my task with a quick title and description, adding assignees, setting up due dates, and even giving a recurring structure to have it occur autonomously, and assigning an approver to it as well. I can click Create Task and get this task kicked off and actually have a coworker session begin to help execute and lay out this plan for me. Let's open up the chat and see what Ramp is doing to help me with this. As I open this up, I get a quick view of the task that I'd asked it to complete and even some thoughts from Ramp of exactly what it wants to do. First thing that it's doing is loading memories and then skills that may be related to this task. I can see it loaded our schedules and accruals skill. And by clicking into that skill, I can get more information into what the operating procedure is that the coworker is following in order to execute the task. Now that Ramp knows the operating procedure to take, it starts pulling data right from our ERP. We can see here that it actually pulls data directly for me and references the data it pulled. So I have clear visibility into the information that it's utilizing to make its decisions and analysis. So I can actually go in and see what data it referenced to help make its decisions and analysis. What's great about Ramp Stack is through every step of the way, it gives me full traceability and auditability into the data that it utilized and the outputs that it generated to help make its decisions. So I know through every step of the process exactly what it's doing and how it's operating, and I can give my input and corrections whenever needed. Now that Ramp has gone through and has actually pulled all of our data and gotten a picture of the situation, it's now got some clarifying questions for me to figure out how best to accomplish this task. We can see it's asking if I have a prior month schedule that maybe I want to be able to use and roll forward. I can upload my existing workbook and have Ramp copy that format and just add onto it for me. Or since we don't actually have one for this client, I'm going to tell it that we don't have a prior schedule and it can help me actually get one created. Then it let me know that it actually looked for disposals that may have occurred but couldn't find any, just flags it to me in case I want to double check. So now what Stack can do is put together a plan for me of exactly what it's found, what it plans to do, and what outputs it's going to generate. And I can take a look at that plan and see if there's any corrections that I want made. Coming up to the top, I'm going to click on the view plan so we can get a picture into what the agent found and what actions it's looking to take. I can quickly review this, whether it's the current state that it's found, the cross-reference that it's done across my entire GL detail to find misclassified expenses even that need to be corrected. So not only is it just rolling forward my schedule from the prior month to the current month, it's finding mistakes that have happened either from my team or even the client and helping to make those corrections on our behalf. My team doesn't have to worry about anything slipping through the cracks because Ramp is another coworker that can help find these things. Then it shows me what its execution steps are. First, building out the fixed asset schedule, making our classifying entries, and then actually building our depreciation journal entry that's needed. From this, I can either reject the plan and help give corrections on other things I want it to do, changes I need it to make, or I can get this started now and have the coworker kick off this task, building the workbooks and journal entries needed to help get this done. Now that this task is getting kicked off, let's go see what else needs my attention. Coming back to my home screen, I can see some action items that are on my plate from tasks that have already been executing. Here's a perfect task. We have a deferred revenue entry that still needs to be booked, but Ramp has a question for me. I can quickly open the chat right from this home screen, see what the session was, what information led up to it, and what it needs my decision on. Okay. We have a new deposit from a customer that needs to be amortized across the next couple months. And Ramp wants to know exactly how it should handle that. And I can let it know when to start and finish this amortization entry. I can quickly select a choice and answer a few more questions. We had another deposit that it needs to know, is this going to be scheduled over a few months, or was the service delivered all in 1 month? And I'm going to let it know that this was all actually completed within this current month. And maybe even what GL accounts it should reference as it makes these entries. So now Ramp's asked me a couple questions, getting better information on how to accomplish this task. So that way moving forward, it doesn't need to keep asking me. It's going to save this to the skill, and it's going to know next time I have it kick off exactly how I like these things handled. Now that Ramp has the information it needs, it executed my task, created a workbook for me, and even has a journal entry that's ready to post with the click of a button. I can see here a quick link to that workbook, an outline of the tasks that it completed, and my journal entry that I can click into and edit as needed, whether that's my GL account, the amounts, descriptions, and even my accounting fields associated with it. This journal entry looks great. And now with the click of a button, I can have this directly posted right to QuickBooks. And the best part is I have a button that I can click that quickly brings me to that journal posting in QuickBooks. So now I can go into that system and see full visibility into what was posted. And in my journal entry in QuickBooks, I even have a link that goes back to my stack session in Ramp, so I can see exactly how this journal entry was created. Now that this journal entry is posted, let's go back and check on my fixed assets. Coming back into that task, we can see that it's built out a workbook again for my fixed assets, laying out the depreciation schedule, flags to consider, reclassification entries, and depreciation journal entries. And the best part is I can always come back to this workbook, making it so I have visibility into the calculations and work that was done to make the entry that we see in my GL. And that's what gives me that audit level confidence of using a tool like this. Now that I have my workbook to back up the entry that was made, we can actually look at the journal entry that it drafted for us. And I can see the fixed asset reclassification or correction entries that it made, as well as my overall depreciation entry. And once again, with a click of a button, I can get this posted into QuickBooks. Lastly, for this client, I need to make sure that the payroll entries and corrections were made appropriately. So I'm going to quickly go back to my closed checklist, and awesome. I can see this is a completed task. But let me see exactly what was done to complete this task. And I love this aspect of the tool as it allows for strong collaboration between our team. We can use this coworker together to help make sure that tasks are getting done. Being able to collaborate with my other team members on these coworker sessions has been so valuable to us and helps us operate at that next level. So let's see how Kevin completed this. I can see he uploaded our payroll file where Ramp was able to go in and actually process this, pulling out all the payroll data, compute the employer costs, and build our accrual all for us. And it even laid out a quick snippet for me. Now, with another workbook created, Ramp goes ahead and creates my journal entries for me. But, I'm glad Kevin caught this. He actually had the agent go a step further and ask it to also book the auto reversal for the following month to back out that accrual entry. From that instruction, Ramp was then able to adjust and update the journal entry as needed. It then even asked him at the end, hey, we saw that this skill may need some updating, so it knows to complete that step on its own the next time that it processes this. And with the click of a button, it updates the skill and even outlines all the updates that it made for me. And that is the real power of Stack right there. In under 10 minutes, I was able to roll forward my fixed assets and make correcting entries for it, book my deferred revenue entries, and review the work that Kevin did to help book our payroll entries and accruals. These tasks together used to take me multiple hours to build all the workbooks and get the journal entries posted. But now I've got so much time back to do even more for my clients. And speaking of which, I've got another client meeting that I have coming up in a few minutes. But that's the best part about Ramp 2, is that this whole tool is also built into my Ramp Advisor Console. Our Ramp Advisor Console is our main command center that our team gets to utilize. Whether it's accessing different client environments or even checking in on their month-end close status, I can get a quick preview of that all from the Ramp Advisor Console. And when needed, I can jump into specific environments that need my attention, that may be falling behind a little bit, and view the tasks that are required. But let's quickly jump into my client, and I need to see if Ramp Stack can help me out. So now I'm on the home screen of Stack for this new client. And this is where I can throw any different ad hoc requests that I have at Stack. For this client, I need to get a picture of what their P&L's month-over-month trend was. So I can quickly throw this into Stack, hit send, and get some quick insights on my client's financials. And just like we saw before, Ramp is running through the memories that it has for how it can complete this task, the skills that it can reference to know what procedures and steps to take, and giving me full visibility and traceability into the data that it pulls and the findings that it has. So now, within seconds, Ramp gave me a quick breakdown, letting me know that their revenue up 24% over the last month, expenses even went down, and noted a few key reasons as to why, so I have insight that I can share with my client easily. And the awesome part is that it even gives me another workbook that I can utilize to aid in my conversation. So now I can see a full P&L with that month-over-month variance to be able to lead my conversation with. And so that's the real value of Stack, is that it's not just my firm that's winning, but my clients are also winning. My clients get real-time financial insights, and I get out of the weeds of workbooks and actually become a strategic advisor to my clients.